Organising your kitchen doesn't have to be stressful. If you break the process into manageable pieces, you can start with confidence. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel, and I'm here today to help you organise your kitchen. Meal planning. Meal planning is a useful tool for reducing stress in the kitchen. Putting in the effort of choosing what to eat ahead of time makes mealtime a breeze, frees up space in the kitchen and can save you money. Here are some great reasons to plan your meals. The witching hour. If you have young kids or have ever had young kids, you know what this means. You're tired, they're tired, and everybody is hungry. With everyone stressed out, it's hard to make good decisions and you may find yourself in a drive-through. But if you decide what to eat before the witching hour, you won't have to make choices when you're tired. Eating healthy. And I'm sure you've heard this advice. Don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Shopping when you're hungry leads to poor dietary choices, just like trying to decide what to eat when you and the kids are tired. If you choose foods when you're not hungry, it's easier to choose healthy foods. Planning nutritious meals in advance takes the guesswork out of eating for the rest of the week. Stock your pantry and fridge with the food you need so you have healthy choices close at hand. And reduce trips to the grocery store. If you know what you're eating for the week, one weekly trip to the store suffices. Going into the grocery store with a list of what you need will save you time and money. Stores make it easy to grab impulse purchases like soft drinks and candy, but with a list in hand, you're more likely to bypass the snacks. Write your list before you get into the store and make sure to check your fridge and pantry so you don't double up on supplies. And let everyone have their say. In our household of 4, we take turns choosing what to eat. By planning a month at a time, we're able to give everyone a turn. And this also cuts down on complaints because even if tonight isn't someone's favourite, they know their turn is coming soon. And meal planning saves you time and money, encourages healthy eating, and keeps your kitchen organised. Take the time to think about your food choices and enjoy the stress-free time you have later. Maintaining an organised kitchen impacts life far beyond just the space. It impacts the nutrition your family receives and impacts the emotional well-being of everyone in the house. Maintaining your kitchen as a space of cleanliness as well as a place of happy creativity that feeds your family makes it a wonderful place to be and to nurture your family and friends. Happy organising. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new here, remember to click subscribe to get more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website organisetoexcel.com.